how to sign your own document in DocuSign. So first, go to DocuSign, and then you can just go to the home page and then click on Start Here. Okay, now once you're here, you just need to upload your documents. So let's say I'm going to click on Desktop and then upload my own document here since I'm going to sign it. Next here, as for the ad recipients, just click on I'm the only signer. And then here you can start adding your email subject, and then you can start adding your your email message here. Now here you select what kind of document you uploaded or you're going to sign. So let's say I'm going to sign an employment contract here. Next is just click on sign here at the bottom. Okay. Now once it starts loading, you can see here, just click on sign. Okay. Now here, you can just click on continue. Now this is my document. So you can't see anything here since I've uploaded a blank document. But if it's your document, I'm pretty sure you're going to see all the things that you have on your document. Here you just need to add the signature here. And this is my signature. Next is just click on finish and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.